Hey guys, we're back at it again. We're in the car. We're getting ready to go to the store. We got a couple things we gotta do, but I'm gonna do a grocery haul. So I'm gonna just take y'all on a little grocery haul that we're gonna get a couple foods for at least a week because we got my daughter's birthday coming up. So I just want to not overdo it because I don't want to be people all up in my refrigerator trying to see what we got. We ain't doing all that. So I'm gonna do that, and then I might come back with another haul of what foods we're gonna get for the party for everyone. We're not gonna do it big or anything. It's just a couple of things that we're gonna get. But yes, right now we're going to the, what we're going to?
You said we were going to a thrift store, right?
The thrift store, yes, that's right. So we're going to the thrift store because my son's birthday party is like 2 weeks right after my daughter's party. So, or 3 weeks right after my daughter's party. So I gotta get things ready for that. I got his cake that I need to send to my husband so he can get that made with this lady that's doing my daughter's cake. And so it's boxing. My son's got a boxing party, so we're just gonna do a little intimate little thing with everyone that came to my daughter's party pretty much. So we gotta go to the thrift store to look and see if they got like some type of rope fabric, like the ropes that they wear when they walk, you know, out when they're getting introduced. We want to do like red and black. I was gonna do red and white, but I'm gonna go stick to red and black because we have some shorts at the house that has the same the color that we're gonna use for when, you know, we do our little intro for him when he walks out and, you know, see everybody. So that's where we're about to head right now, and I'll just take y'all there, or I'll see y'all when we get there. All right. So you see that it's a dress, so we're looking at the fabric piece to make his robe. Let me see. Let me see. No, that's too, yeah, we need that silk, so we need that texture. So we went ahead and bought it, that dress, so mama got a job to do. All right, HB, here we come. Get ready to get that. We have to go get some toothpaste, so let's make our way, get some toothpaste. We're definitely shopping on a budget, so we thought we're gonna come down here and see what we can grab. Yes, that's right, babe. That's the right ones. So we got 2 of these Colgate cavity protection. Next up, we gotta get some deodorant. I probably need to get some too. And what you get, babe? Cheapy cheap. So we got the Degree Cool Rush.
It's got to be the dry.
The dry. He likes the dry.
No. I guess, I don't know when, but probably like 5 years ago, 10 years ago, I got allergic to it. The gel stuff, it makes me break out. Like my wrist get itchy and shit. I don't know what's in it, but whatever's in it makes me like itch and break out.
Alright, next up is the Tony's Pizza. Like I said, we go for the cheaper price. They went up. It's $3.84 right now. So we're gonna look and see if there's anything cheaper, but that's what we get. So my husband got the pop stickers, the pork kind. He usually gets the chicken, but he's gonna try out the pork this time. All right, I lied. He likes the pork more than he likes the chicken, but baby, he's smelling good in the house. I'm gonna try him this time. All right, guys. So we got half a gallon of milk and half a gallon of chocolate milk. The kids love the chocolate milk. That's one of their favorite drinks to drink. It's on the regular, and then the milk is for their cereal. Alright, so we got the dino nuggets, and this comes with a coupon. Take advantage of the coupon, guys. Alright, guys, so I have to run back and get some spicy breaded chicken breast patties. They're so good. And then my husband got some of these cream sodas. Nasty. And then he just now put in some of these HEB flavored waters. They're so good. That's the cherry, and then there's a strawberry at the bottom. I drink the strawberry more than I drink the cherry. And then I also have to get this vanilla caramel coffee creamer for my coffee. I love coffee. He told me I don't need it, but I do. Next, we came and got some apple juice. The kids drink that up, so I just got one. I usually would get the apple juice. My husband got the cranberry juice. And we usually just pick up on a lot of different juices, but we're gonna, like I said, this is just a week's worth of groceries, so we're kind of just getting little quick meals that we can have until we buy more food. Which one's my favorite? No, yep. So these are my favorite with the M&Ms. So there's more M&Ms than the peanut M&Ms, so I like to get just the regular chocolate candies. That's in the trail mix.
I want this one in the peanuts.
In the peanuts? I don't think they make trail mix like that. We'll have to see, okay? So I have to go get some butter-rich syrup for our waffles that we got at home. We got some blueberry waffles. If you haven't had those, get those. Those are so good than the regular ones. All right, we're here with the hamburger helper. We always get the, just guess, cheeseburger macaroni. I'm gonna get the skillet one because 2 of those, they pretty much equal this. So I'm gonna stick to this. And then I have got this guacamole. I love this and my avocados to make my own guacamole. I'm about to do my little video. And so, back to this. I have 2 of these. Hit the trail mix. So I have a coupon for this. And it's the $2 off the 12. So this is what I'm gonna use because I love trail mix. The kids, I got them on it too. So we all about to be eating good. Alrighty, ready? We got some bread because I'm gonna go the cheap route and I'm gonna use this bread for my chicken sandwich patties. And then also the kids want, you know, the regular sandwiches and also peanut butter jelly sandwiches. Yeah, we need some. All right, ground beef for our hamburger helper. All right, so the last thing is our sandwich slice. Oh my gosh, our sandwich slice cheese. So that's what we have right here. We got to get the cheap for the cheap, y'all. We on a budget, so this is what we're gonna use. My husband's gonna be taking all the groceries out and putting them up. He got like a system he got going on. So he takes all of the hard, squish the what?
Squish the bread.
So he takes all the drinks and all the hard items out, and then he'll go in and get the cold items. And then he'll go in and do his, you know, the rest of the stuff. And then after that, your bread will be last because that's going to be the last to be placed in the basket so it don't get smushed. But that's his little system. And I do the same thing pretty much. Nizzo, you've been doing so good while we shop. Good job, baby. Good job. We got a bag, but look, this don't happen often. Nick is just generous today. I guess he's having a good day, but he's letting him get candy off of a coupon because you know you gotta take advantage of it. Where's it at? It says 2 for $3, so that's what they gotta get in order to get that coupon. All right, I say 75.
68.
68. All right, let's see what it's gonna be. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh man, you might be right. We do go coupon. It ain't gonna be that much though. Dang. I'm gonna show y'all when we get in the car. Alright, so we made it in the car and me and my husband were wrong. We were off even with the coupons, but I told y'all it's good to use those coupons because we saved us $6.16, but we spent $90.32. So yeah, I was planning on spending $60, but we kept picking up stuff and stuff that we like. Sometimes stuff that we like is not cheap sometimes. So yeah, that was our fault. But next time I'm gonna use the HEB app on my phone, which I got in my hand. I'm gonna use that, the HEB app, and I'm going to put the stuff in the cart of what I want to get and kind of look at the price range and mix, you know, take things out, put things in order to be under that $60 amount. And then I'll go to the store. If I want to do another grocery haul shop, I'll go to the store and then it'll kind of be accurate. I don't know, because sometimes they have coupons in the store that they don't have online and vice versa. They'll have stuff online that they don't do in store. So I'll do that the next time and see how that changes up things, if that's a better way of doing it. But we did do a whole week's, a little bit over a week's worth of shopping. That's fine. The kids gonna be happy. They get a couple things that they like and whatnot. So that pretty much is it. We're gonna get home, unload the groceries. What else we got? Oh, today my son, he has basketball practice. I'm gonna show y'all that because me and my husband are gonna end up being the coaches or helping the coach out with different what was I say? We're gonna be helping the coach out with different drills that the kids need to do in order to learn how to pass, rebound, be on offense and defense. And we have one more that we're just gonna teach them: offense, defense, pass, rebound, free throws, because they're doing that now. And then also they're gonna be we need to get them to be running because they just be walking around up and down the court. They're doing full court now at this age at the YMCA. So I'm gonna try to help them, you know, build up their stamina and, you know, where they can stay in the whole game, because they only got 6 players on the team, and so if one, you know, gets hurt, we need all 5 players on the court. So we got a little bit of things we're gonna be helping out the coach with, but as of now, we're about to get ready to go to the house. My husband, he's went back in to fill up my water jug, because we do have a water dispenser at home that I love to death. I just love that thing. And so we have 2 of them, but every time one goes out, we forget to go and refill up the other one, and then we end up with 2 empty ones at the house for a while. So he went ahead and go fill up one. And but yeah, we're just gonna go home, chill for a minute. He got to take a nap. I'm gonna be editing some videos, dealing with little man, because he's up now. He was asleep the whole time we were, you know, riding around. Not in HEB when I was shopping, but while we was riding around, we went to go eat, and then also at Goodwill, he just fell asleep. So now he's up, and I'm gonna have to be up with him. So I need to do the up. There you go. He's back. But yeah. So that's how the plan's gonna go. I'm gonna show y'all my son at his basketball practice. Hopefully I can record and not be so much on the court, but we'll see. So I'll see y'all then. So I'm 2 people here right now, but this. Uh-oh, y'all have some trouble.